Hey, go on, try 395 approaching West Oakland 2.
395, go.
Hey, I don't know if my lead has flats or not, but especially at speeds of 60 miles per hour or higher, like it's running really rough. Like it's really vibrating my lead. My lead is 3016. Again, I don't know if it's flats or not, but you can really feel it at speeds over 60.
Copy 395, get your stick. 24, tank 1. Yeah, 24, 395, West Oakland 2. Check for flats in the lead.
Control. So departing Bart there. Higher ground, possible flat on both ends.
Copy, is it white flats?
Paper 3016.
Can you check the rest of the cars also? Because they have the ramp profile on. The ramp profile was on today. You could check the rest of the conscious.
So for this kind of flat, you should write it up the entire fleet.
So the whole thing has flats?
You know, I'm saying, a bunch of them running even worse. Okay, I'm still on board with the part. So I checked two first cars, lead in, right behind, they all vibrate. White flat on 4279. Both ends. Yeah, looks like they all the same. Little drizzle.
Okay, copy. So white flats are at the conscious?
It's really light. Good for service.
Okay, for service. Thank you, 24. You can let it go.
So here, greedy and one behind that, they got a different flat. So it probably would be the multiple flat because twice as light.